Ladies and gentlemen, our next game for the Motivated 3x3 Season 4 Influencers All-Star. Make some noise for the Filipino Mixtape!
Let's go, Barakuhan. Handa ka na ba? Makita mga idol nyo, handa na sila. Mapagpakpakan at matalo sa laro. Motivated 3x3. Liga na mga sikat. Motivated 3x3. Sino pa mananatili malakas? Motivated 3x3. Liga na mga sikat.
And their opponent makes some noise for Team GK!
Sino pa mananatili malakas? Motivated 3x3. Liga na mga sikat. Liga na mga sikat. Ito all. Liga na mga sikat. Sa portal natin makikita maglalaban. Hands up. Mga idolo, sino ba ang harap? Magtatapakan ng pangalan. And once sisigawan ka ng harapan. Malira matibay malakas ang loob. Sino mga sikat na maghahari sa kompak. Ipagparakuhan, pisikal ng labanan.
Let the games begin! Ito partner, magandang laban ito. Team GK versus Filipino Mixtape. Ito makikita natin Kali Irving, nandito din si Reaper, and then nandito din, kakampi nila ngayon, si Mr. Mainit, ha?
Mr. Mainit, buti na lang nasa kabila yung maka-high blood. Masyadong mainit talaga pag magkasama.
Pero may mainit at may high blood.
Yun na nga.
Mainit na laban ito. Oo.
Pero kanina, medyo kinabahan ko kay Mr. Mainit eh. Tinanong ako, sabi, wala ba tayong motivated na boxing? Parang baka pagsayatang.
Oo.
Baka iba mainit eh. No?
Eto na. Check. Eto na. Ay yung laging nagpapakita gilas sa mga motivated season natin, itong si Kali Irving, partner. Talagang ibang klase ang skills at stamina nito.
Grabe yan. Kita natin yung mga crossover niyan eh. But kala ko nga sa Uncle Drew eh. Kasi bagay din siya dun eh. Anyway, Kali Irving, Mr. Mainit.
Back into the action we go. Dito pa rin tayo sa Amoranto Sports Arena dito sa Quezon City for the continuation ng elimination games ng Motivated 3x3 Season 4 Influencers Cup. Charles Bechong here, Carlo Pamintuan, and Bea Escudero at courtside. And si Boss GK naka first blood agad with a 2-pointer. So yung Filipino Mixtape, Carlo, they are composed of street ballers. You know, so I don't think na, or I think na magiging problema sa kanila to because they're more on isolation plays.
One-on-one talaga eh, no? Breakdown basketball.
So medyo nagkamali dun sa ating LED ng pangalan teams. Play goes on. Boss GK got a hold of that leather. $2-0 pa rin tayo to start the game. Mr. Mainit. Miko Pepito TV showing that height is might on that play.
Oo, dun sila may bentahe, no? Walang depensa sa ilalim.
Boss GK. Nothing on that inside attack. Here's Kali Irving. He has the speed advantage against Boss GK. But that won't work.
No, siguro mo muna, di ba? The jumper will be there all game long para sa kanya. It's best to start testing mga lateral movement abilities ng mga defenders. You're all about handles, right? So use it. Go to the rack first. Tingnan mo muna paano mo pwedeng i-break down yung depensa ng kalaban.
But of course, huwag mong kalimutan na may kakampi ka dahil sina Kali Irving and si Reaper, in which kakampi rin nila Kali Irving, more on isolation plays nga, and then one-on-one talaga take too much time, and they have to remember na 12 seconds lang yung shot clock dito sa 3x3.
Sa one-on-one kasi hintayan no? Tinginan kayo matagal. Tapos mag-a-ISO ka, papakita mo yung bag mo. Dito dapat mabilis yung desisyon.
Miko Pepito TV exploiting that mismatch against Maka High Blood.
Siyempre, dun ka muna sa mismatch, di ba? Mas matangkad, mas mabilis si Miko. Mintis nga lang yung kanyang free throw.
Boss GK recovers. This time he has the mismatch against Kali Irving, but great active hands by Kali Irving.
Elbow jumper. Ayaw talaga.
Work. Maybe there's still some first game jitters, especially tagal nung hinintay nila bago nagsimula yung kanilang laban. But they have to remember, every second or every minute of this game is as important as it can be. Pasok na dito si RJ Deles, who just won a chip earlier. Boss GK against Miko Pepito TV. That's what he's known for, those long distance shots.
Pangalawang dos na nitong si Boss GK dito sa larong ito, kaya naman 5-1. Abante sila ng 4.
7:15 remaining here in the game. Kali Irving on top of the key. Now it's bounce. Miko Pepito TV going inside. Great use of the change of pace para kay Miko Pepito TV.
Siya pa lang yung nakakapuntos dito sa Filipino mixtape as he completes the end one.
Here's Boss GK once again. 4 seconds to shoot para kay Boss GK. Using that size advantage against Kali Irving.
5 puntos naman para sa kanya, para pamunuan ng kanyang koponan.
This will be a long night para kay Kali Irving, as Filipino or as Boss GK will always try to exploit on that mismatch. Great drop pass from RJ Deles.
Naramdaman kasi ni RJ na may help defender, so binitawan na lang niya yung pasa. Kahit saan mo bitawan yan, sigurado kakampi mo yung pupuntahan.
Speaking of pagbibitaw, Miko Pepito TV nakabitaw ng toss doon to cut the lead to just 2 points. At naitabla na ni Kali Irving. Nakabutas na finally.
Kali Irving tsaka si RJ Deles kakapisikalan. Kasi tinamaan sa mukha si RJ, hindi niya nagustuhan. Nagbigay lang ng konting reminder dun sa mas batang player na ingat ng konti.
Alam mo, minsan kapag mas maliit yung bantay mo, medyo makulit. Siyempre, Kali Irving, talagang magiging makulit yan against his defenders. Minsan nakakapikon yan nakakaasar yun pag ikaw yung malaki, tapos ang kulit ng mas maliit na na bumabantay sa'yo.
Si RJ naman also committing a foul. These are statement fouls mula kay RJ Deles kontra kay Miko naman ngayon.
Kali Irving overshoots that one.
Nakalimutan. Ayun, yun po yung pagkakaiba ng ating Kanto rules kumpara sa 3x3, right? Sa normal nating nilalarong 3x3 na tayo-tayo lang, basta hindi tumama sa ring, pwede na yan, di ba?
Or ma-steal. Hindi mo na kailangang ilabas.
Dito, lahat po ng change of possession, you have to clear the basketball. So, kailangan mo lumabas dun sa 2-point range.
Still, the score is tied at 7 apiece. RJ Deles, yun nga, sabi mo nga kanina, statement fouls, sending a message that he's still the sheriff in town. Miko Pepito TV, nothing there.
Ito mo, penalty na. Yung kapunan ni Boss
Aga,
GK.
no?
Yeah. Pero hindi lang nakakuha ng free throws kanina in that last foul because it was still an offensive foul. But other than that, free throws na yung mabibiyaya dito sa Filipino mixtape. Oh, hard show. Tapos bigla switch.
Boss GK has to put it up. RJ Deles,
matagal
wala.
yung shot clock. Nagka-problema yata tayo dun sa shot clock as RJ Deles mawawala yung bola. Kylie Irving ngayon. Goes to the crossover. Set up pass. Papunta dun sa kanto. Hesitation. Baka maubusan ka ng oras at yun na nga yung mangyayari dyan.
They took too much time.
Panira na yun sa kanto, Charles eh. Minsan pag inisip mo talaga, sinugod mo, tapos pivot, 12 seconds lang yung shot clock eh.
Not all the time, mau-open ka eh. Deles has it.
Offensive foul na naman. Mukhang napag-iinitan itong si RJ Deles. Masyadong physical sa depensa at opensa.
Well, you've sent your message to the referees. So definitely you'll be a marked man.
Offensive, nagtatanong ng explanation dito, but di pa daw sila nagpa-free throws. You know, all offensive fouls will not lead to free throws, right? So parang 5-on-5 game. Loose ball fouls, yes. Offensive fouls, absolutely not. At ngayon naman, si Miko, yung tatawagan ng offensive foul, as you can feel that the referees are not comfortable with the physicality. So they're trying to control the ball game right now, imploring both teams to play clean.
And of course, hindi imposible na magkaroon ng konting initan dito dahil on the outside world, medyo minsan nagkakagirian tong mga to, especially lalo na dinala mo dito sa basketball court. Especially si Boss GK. But they're not bad people, they're just competitive.
Kahit nga magkakaibigan tayo naglalaro, paminsan, di ba? Magkakapitikan talaga. Ganun lang talaga pag pumasok na yung competitive intensity mo. As we have a timeout to calm everything down here.
Three minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Score is tied at 7 apiece. Aga na punta sa penalty ng team ni Boss GK as RJ Deles. Masyadong maraming nabitawan offensive fouls and some, like what you said, some statement fouls.
Kailangan bantayan yung kiskisan ni na Boss GK at saka Miko dito. Medyo may konting extra.
Kali against Barry Allen. Kali pa din. Poor spacing on that one.
Good pass back sa ilalim. May extra pass pa. Oh, that's too quick on the shot clock, I think.
I think the shot clock did not reset. Here's Boss GK. Barry Allen, quick trigger. That one is short. Bounce with the rebound. Miko. Ooh! How did he thread that pass? 9 seconds to work with for Boss GK. Fouls piling up for both of these teams.
Kanina pa nasa penalty actually, no? Yung Boss GK, pero hindi pa nila pinagbabayaran yan. They have not given up too many free throws.
Most of their fouls were offensive fouls.
Yep.
2-minute trips to the line para dito sa team ni Boss GK. You can remember nung nakaraang season, they lost on the semifinals against Team Phenomenal. Here's Bounce working his way inside. Bounce, nothing there. Put back, wala pa din galing kay Miko.
Kylie Irving, step to the side. 2-point shot is a swish.
Sweet string music for Kylie Irving. And he has the leather once again, dropping it down to Miko. 3-point lead for Filipino Mixtape. Boss GK. Top of the key, 3 won't go. Surprised na wala pa si Reaper dito. We haven't seen the Reaper show. Callie Irving against Barry Allen. Callie. Gusto sa malayo pumapasok eh.
Sa ganda daw tignan eh, pag naka-elevate siya for the jumper.
4 seconds to shoot. Barry Allen has to put it up. 2 seconds remaining. Nagsuklay pa.
Kumarl Malone. Naubos tuloy yung oras.
And yung mga those are the situations or the instances na sobrang nakakagalit yun as a coach, no? Diyan mo maririnig yung laro na nilalaro mo pa.
Lalo na ganito, nasa last 2 minutes na tayo nito laban na to, sila pa yung naghahabol. Sayang na pagkakataon.
Bounce out to Callie Irving. That time won't work. Boss GK left open. Boss GK off the iron. Left wide open. Saw the opening and then took advantage of it. Dalawa hinahabol dito. Nila Boss GK. 7 seconds to work with. Boss GK going inside, dropping it down low. Good creation by Boss GK on that play. Isa na lang hinahabol nila dito. Filipino Mixtape 11, Boss GK 10 with a minute and 11 seconds remaining here in the game.
That should be at least a warning to Filipino Mixtape for
the delay.
Delaying that game.
Miko wanting it. He receives the leather. Miko, the drop step. Won't work.
Offensive foul.
The referee saw that chicken wing. Remember, basketball is a game of angles for the referees. RJ Deles back in the ball game. Deles with 5. He steps back. Deles couldn't knock it down. Miko na naman. That spin, the fake. Minsan panira na talaga yun, Carlo eh, no?
Ito si RJ, gusto ng dos talaga pero ayaw pumasok para sa kanya.
We need to see some sense of urgency para dito sa team ng Boss GK as they trail by 1. Callie Irving with 5. Passes it to the wrong guy and it's off Miko Pepito TV's hands.
No, I think they called black.
Oh.
Yep, so 1 second to shoot here.
All right.
For
1 second to shoot. What will they do? Ball is in the hands of Callie Irving. He lets it fly. Callie Irving won't go.
Kailangan dito penetration. Foul na eh. Penalty na parehong kupunan eh.
The kick out. The shot. Bingo! Boss GK takes the lead.
1 point shot. It was called a 1 point shot by our referee on the floor.
So the game is tied.
It should be corrected. Again, our referee pointed to the floor when the shot was being taken. At mukhang yan yung lilinawin nila ngayon.
Sino masusunod dyan, Carlo? The referee on the baseline or
the referee on the
baseline
did not signify anything. So itong trail referee natin.
That's only a 1 point, so the game is tied. We're tied at 11.
Kaso dalawang free throws para kay Callie Irving.
Ooh, that one was so strong. 8 seconds remaining. Pressure-packed free throws para kay Callie Irving. And he misses the second. 6 seconds to work with. Down to 4. There's a foul. So he will shoot 2 free throws. Penalty situation. First one is in.
Ito, pinag-uusapan nila kung mimintisin na lang to with 1 second remaining or ipapasok na ba.
Do you think that's the best course of action?
I think it could be because 1 second to rebound, send it out and shoot is not enough.
That is it. That is it. Boss GK prevails against Filipino Mixtape. They were trailing all game long until that long distance bomb, those long distance bombs of Boss GK really paved the way for his team. Uratex Foam game highlights. Hindi nila na-utilize ng maayos. Itong si Miko Pepito TV.
Actually, nung nag-tighten up yung calls, no, nawala na rin yung offensa niya because he was being tagged with offensive fouls. Ganun talaga, you have to adjust. Kailangan mong mag-refocus nung yung energy. Hanap ka ng ibang paraan to still be effective.
And his teammates weren't really a factor here in this game, as Callie Irving was struggling all game long, only having 4 points. But those 4 points, ang dami nung nabitawan niya doon to get those points.
Played the entire game, no? Hindi yata nagpahinga itong si Callie Irving. He did nail an important 2-point shot late in that game and issued this nice pass papunta kay Miko, but it proved to be not enough to get them a win. Yeah, Team GK ang mag-uwi ng panalo. Let's send it over to Bea with our best player of the game.
With a final score of 12-11 for the Influencers Cup eliminations, it is Team Boss GK, and our best player of the game is Sesgame. Congratulations sa inyo. Grabe din yung naging depensa ng kalaban ninyo. Pag-usapan mo lang yung mga key adjustments ng game nyo.
Actually, ang main point lang naman namin sabihin kaya nanalo kami is yung play namin na most play sa labas lang. Kasi total maliliit kami, so we need to maximize our talent sa outside shooting. Hindi kami pwede sa loob kasi may malaki sila eh.
Speaking of outside shooting, I'm sure nakapag-prepare din kayo para sure yung mga outside shots ninyo.
Actually, preparation yun ang medyo kinulang kami kasi nagkita-kita na lang kami rito. Parang yung late na rin yung pagkabuo na sinabi, kubo tayo ng team, pero we need to be here. At least, kaso dinagdagan na lang namin yung focus tsaka yung warm-up namin kasi we have no choice.
Well, nakamit nyo yung panalo today. Sesgame, I'm sure may gusto kang batiin or pasalamatan. Please go ahead.
Yes, gusto kong batiin pasalamatan yung asawa ko, sobrang supportive. Cindy, Chansey, Chelsea, family ko sa province, Amparado family, Chujanko family, yung mga TSD family, yes, SSS family, and of course, follow nyo Ses Gaming.
Alright, once again, our best player of the game from Team Boss GK, Sesgame. Now let's turn it over to the next panel.